Use this eBay tool to spy on your competitor's exact sales history so you can only launch winners on eBay. Now, we've seen this happen before where we're launching, we're looking at products, and we're like, dang, this seller, they're doing really good. They've got some different items, they've got all these products, and then you're like looking through their products and you're like, let's see, we can look through view the store. We're looking through their products and we're like, oh my God, they've got a lot of products, right? And we're like, what the hell are they selling? They're selling us all this random stuff. I wish there was a tool where you could just tell us what their best sellers are, what's making them the most amount of money right now. And there is, and that's going to be ZIK Analytics right here. It is $1 to sign up, right? But there is a link in the description. If you do decide to sign up, it's going to give you a discount. Now, this is one of my favorite tools for eBay sellers right now. You can sign up, and right when you sign in, right, it's going to give you all of this data that we can look through later. But what we're going to look at is we're going to find that competitor. We're going to look at competitor research right here. And all we're going to do is we're going to type in that competitor's username. Where is it? Can't hide from us, the Pet Perfect Park Inc. Now, sometimes it doesn't have all the competitors. Let's see. Let's see if it has them. I don't know how many listings they have, because if it's taking this long, wow. Okay. 420 active listings, 17,000 sell through. This is completely insane. It even has the country. I don't know what the flag is. It just says NA, whatever. Really good at, oh my gosh, they're almost making $1 million. This tool, I didn't even know that they were making this much. We're scrolling down. Who would have guessed the batteries? The batteries are making the bank. And we can see the total sold right here. So we can see how much money they're making per month. But who cares about that? How much money are they making every 30 days? Can we filter? Sometimes the filters don't work like really well, or they slow down, so you don't have to filter it. But this is a good way where you can kind of try to filter it. Let's see, I think I filtered it the wrong way. Let's put it back. So you can filter it by what's making the most money in the last 30 days. So you know what's their top seller, what's trending, and we can look at it together. And it's going to be the alkaline batteries. Who would have guessed that they sold 40 in the last 24 hours? This is crazy. I mean, how do they have 100% positive? I just don't get it. I don't know if they're like doing something crazy, but I want to know what they're doing. 12,000. They're making $1 million in revenue. They got $1 million business, just about. But we want to find the high profit products. Do they have the price? Here's the price. They're doing really low items, but they're doing quantity, high quantity, because all of their items, like this one, $100,000 made. In the past 30 days, they made 10 G's. 7 G's, 16,000. They pretty much cracked eBay. All right, so I think this one costs the most out of all items. 5 sold in the last 24 hours. Super simple. 1,449 sold. I mean, this just gives you an idea on how powerful this tool is, where you can just plug and play and find sellers, which you were never able to before. Find sellers that are they're practically cracking that $1 million amount. But by the end of the year, I think they're going to get very, very close, right? Because sales are going to spike even further. But this is the tool for you. Yes, there's more items in here. Yes, there's more. You can look it up and you can look at the product research. But just this tool alone is worth that $1. And obviously, if you want to sign up, the link's in the description. But this is blowing me away too. So yeah, check this out. I'm gonna have to look through them because they're selling these fancy old controllers and all that good stuff, all that good jazz. But yeah, we are eBay experts. If you did need help finding a product, launching a product, or talking to the suppliers, feel free to drop a like and subscribe, because we're giving away all of our best content just for you. If you do need help, you can contact EHP Consulting Group right in the description. Schedule a call. Just email us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.